Breaking news right now on Ford. Phil, what's going on?
This is Ford announcing a couple of partnerships as they are trying to work on accelerating the manufacturing of products to help fight the COVID-19 outbreak around the country. First of all, Ford will be partnering with 3M on the manufacturing or increased manufacturing of N95 respirators. Ford is also going to be partnering with GE Healthcare in manufacturing ventilators. Exactly where those ventilators will be manufactured remains to be seen, but the two companies are working together. Separately from that, Ford is also testing and building face masks, or face shields, I should say. These are face shields that are in demand right now by the healthcare community. They're doing this in Michigan. This has been a rapid move by Ford, not only to work with 3M and with GE Healthcare, but also on their own to see what they can do in terms of developing and building and ultimately shipping out these face shields that are in demand right now. As you take a look at shares of Ford, an announcement from the company just a few minutes ago, Chairman Bill Ford says the time for action and cooperation is now. It is critical not only for Ford, 3M and GE, but all companies to move as quickly as possible to fight the coronavirus outbreak. And also, as you take a look at, and there's the three companies there, but as you take a look at shares of Ford, moving slightly higher pre-market. UBS out today with a note downgrading the stock to neutral, saying that the company is in liquid preservation mode, and that's why they have moved it from a buy down to neutral. But guys, not surprising that we see this from Ford along with 3M and GE. We're also going to be seeing news from GM as well as it continues to work on developing ventilators. A number of companies in the auto industry really taking to heart what the president said in terms of, hey, we all need to start seeing what we can do in terms of manufacturing products to fight the coronavirus outbreak.
Hey, Beck.
Hey, did they say anything? I know this is very early, Phil, but that's great news. Did they say anything about how many masks they might be able to put out, how many ventilators, and how many people they put to work doing it?
It's a little unclear, Becky, exactly how quickly they'll be able to ramp up the manufacturing here and how quickly they'll be able to ship these out. I think these are early days, but they're moving as quickly as possible. It's one of those situations where if they've got the facilities and they've got the capability, they're putting people to work. They're also working with the UAW on this. But in terms of numbers, in terms of how quickly we'll see these ventilators and these N95 face masks delivered, I think that remains to be seen here.
Okay,
great news.
Yep. Thank you, Phil.